Hi everyone, this is Elisa with WTI.
If you're looking for a cute, classy flat that actually works for real life, like work errands and even dressy outfits, I found the perfect ones for you by Lhamo Latso. These are the women's square toe ballet flats, and the first thing I notice is how elegant they look. The square toe gives them a modern polished feel, and that little bow detail makes them feminine without being over the top. One thing I want to be very transparent about is the material. From what I can tell, these are faux leather, and honestly, it looks very nice and well finished. It doesn't feel stiff or plasticky, which is so important for comfort. What I love is that they also offer satin versions so you can choose depending on your style or occasion. The faux leather option is perfect for everyday wear, office outfits, or casual look, while the satin flats feel dressier, so it's great for events, dinners, or even if you want something a little more elegant. The slingback strap with the ankle buckle helps keep the shoe secure, and they're easy to slip on and off. Comfort wise, they are great for flats. You can literally walk, stand, and wear them for hours without that pinching feeling in the toes. They're super versatile as well. So, if you're looking for stylish flats with options, faux leather for everyday wear, or satin for a dressier look, these ballet flats are a great find. I highly recommend you to check them out, choose your favorite style, and see if they work for you too.
And that's my point of view.